No other university really offered anything that allowed non-technical backgrounds to be able to pursue a degree like this. The MSIS Accelerate program was very unique.
I chose Foster because it has a great intersection between technology and business within the Seattle area, and it focuses a lot on the newest technologies and trends in AI and cloud.
I can tell that the University of Washington is making big strides to be a leader in the adoption of AI. They definitely encourage us to use it for projects, and they encourage the creative use of it.
The analytical confidence that I gained, it took my mind away from only creative to a combination between solving complex data problems and combine it with creative solutions as a product designer. The hands-on experiences working with real-life projects. For example, I recently built an AI agent and learned a lot throughout this journey.
For me, it's definitely the opportunity to work on projects that I am passionate about. One of the final projects that we worked on was to create a machine learning algorithm to predict an outcome for a certain event, and I was able to choose the Formula One World Championship. That's something I'm very passionate about, and so it gave me the opportunity for the first time in a long time to work on things that I really enjoy.
The diversity that you find in the program, you get to learn new things and you become more confident over time.
My MSIS Accelerate cohort, we were able to truly bond from that experience, knowing that we come from the same background and we want the same things out of this program. And still to this day, I feel like I'm the closest friends with my Accelerate cohort.